If you wanna get glam today, gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be repairing my client's hair with K18, so let's get started. Now first things first, I'm going to shampoo her hair with the Detox Shampoo, and this is just going to clarify her hair, make sure all of her buildup is removed, as well as any additional sebum and any other products that she has used in her hair before. Now it's really important to make sure you clarify the hair first before you add any additional products. This ensures that you're starting with a clean base, that way when you apply your hair mask or conditioners, they're able to penetrate through a lot easier. Next, I'm going in with the Damaged Shield Protective Shampoo, and this will help reduce frizz, enhance shine, and also maintain the health of her hair. I also like to use this little hair scratcher that I got off Amazon, and my clients rave about it. I definitely would recommend you getting it if you're a hairstylist. I've used it on myself, but I feel like I don't get like the full benefits because I'm kind of anticipating it because I know I'm about to use it on myself. But whenever I use it on my clients, they love it. So next I'm going to go in with the Damaged Shield Conditioner, and this is just going to help smooth and detangle her hair. I'm also going to sit her under the steamer, that way the conditioner can really seep in and penetrate through her hair, because she was telling me that she thinks she damaged it a little bit when she was blow drying. So I really want to make sure we're getting her hair back to a healthy state. Now if you're in a pinch, you can use the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask, and I use that a lot on my hair, and what it does is it reverses the damage from the molecular level. So if you've bleached your hair or color treated it, or if you have any chemical service or even use heat, it kind of reverses that. So I like to use it on my hair because I do straighten it every week, and I really feel like the product does work. Now before I start straightening her hair, I went in with the Heat Bounce, which is a really good leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. And then I also went in with the Molecular Repair Oil, as well as a little bit of the Astro Lift Reparative Volume Spray. And that'll just add a little bit more volume to her hair when I'm blow drying it. One tip I like to use on my natural hair clients when I'm blow drying their hair is I like to extend the hair fully and just run the blow dryer over the hair. That way the hair will dry while it's extended rather than shrunken, and that way you don't have to put as much heat, and it also makes it easier and quicker to blow dry your hair. I do have a full tutorial of tips on how I like to blow dry my clients' hair. If you want to go check it out, I'll link it in the description below. My client comes to me quarterly, so about once every 3 months, and we usually do her treatments, make sure we add some moisture back into her hair, and then I'm also going to go in with a haircut, which you guys will see later in the video. And one thing I love about her is she is not afraid to get rid of the split ends. But I think that's all I have to say to you guys. Now sit back and relax, watch the video, and enjoy my YouTube music. If anybody has any suggestions on where I can find some non-copyrighted music, please let me know. Please comment in the comment section, because you know YouTube's great and they have like a variety of different music, but I would love to have a little bit more of a mix. Enjoy the video.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue. For I have been kissed by an angel. Beautiful, wonderful, marvelous, lovable, beautiful, wonderful you.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. We keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and them. Ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, no. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we a Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.
Keep on moving,
moving.
We keep on moving along.
Keep it moving, keep it
rolling,
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down, never
moving,
moving.
We keep on moving along.
Keep it moving, keep it
rolling,
rolling.
No, we ain't
Rolling, keep it
slowing
moving,
it
we
down.
ain't never gonna lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best.
Keep on moving,
Moving,
we keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
Yeah, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
Keep
never
on moving.
moving.
We keep on moving
Keep it
along.
moving, keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Did you pause for a minute? Did you even feel it? Yeah, you felt it. For a minute. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. It was in the air. It was a smile. I was humming. You were whispering something. Did you feel it? Did you ever feel it? You said you felt it. You were in it. We both lived it. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Got you wrong, baby, baby. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. You got to see. You got me wrong and I got you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.